Yeah, he's back. Gonna be lowering it. We told him that we just needed it for the rest of the other video. Yeah, it's sketchy, but so he don't know that we're gonna be lowering it, whatever. But we'll see. Big Terpsky. Alright, so this is the kit. This is a 4-inch drop rear springs. This is a 2-inch drop in the front. Wait. On this side. This is your lower 2 in the front spindles, the shock extenders, and this is a lower spring. Alright, front's done. Now you gotta do the back. My dad's showing off his house in Mexico. Alright, so the back ones are out.
You get like that right?
That's your 4 inches. There's more than 4 though.
They didn't bring the lips to the spacer?
No spacer. Got the extenders on, springs are on.
Can we drop it? I'll drop it.
Yeah. Hey, we could turn the torching keys now? Yeah. Damn, it looks good. Got out the lower kit. That's a little bit lower in the front, but the back it should settle down a little bit. It looks good. I like it. We haven't floored it.
Like that. Then I'm gonna get the one that goes the other way or whatever.
Yeah.
Like that. And I'm gonna turn the housing so it goes straight into the intercooler.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, you know it's gonna be like the Hondas.
Yeah.
That's what Hondas do.
That's what I'm gonna do because I'm reducing all the piping.
Yeah.
I don't want no cold pipe.
A lot of Hondas, they put the turbo acá abajo, like in the front bumper. Y luego they just turn it into the intercooler, so it goes straight to the intercooler. And luego the pipe is from the intercooler to the intake nomás.
I'm gonna order 2 of those Honda radiators, the 3/4.
Oh, sí, sí.
2, 1 on each side, and it just have intercooler and that's it on the front.
Which one do you want this?
We're going to be rolling that motor to the car.
Yes.
Say, hi, I'm Pro.
And today we are
I weld.
Here's the tool.
Yeah. That's nice. Oh, you want to do a launch?
Well, I thought you were gonna
He wants to do a launch. Have you been in here?
Nah, really?
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that's a little pitch drive.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, but it's way better than it was.
That'll wake them up for sure.
It's way better than it was. What? Gotta do a quick little update. Aw. So the seats were all ripped. He bought new seats. This was a little bit ripped right there, but this was really bad right here. Here we got this replaced. It is low. Way better than it was. And it had the what?
Hold on to it. So what?
It had a hole And this, oh, it didn't have a hole. It was missing this handle. But yeah, you got it freshly painted. Got the whole, basically the whole interior done. Put an exhaust on it. Got it tinted. Paint. Quick little vacuum. We just got done washing the truck. We cleaned the inside, vacuumed it, armor all the seats, off the dash, the windows, vacuumed back here too. Left this, bro, what are those called? I don't know. Armor all the tires. You drive it. Like it? The final? Huh? Get the go. Go get him. Sick him. Come back, Pops. Dad, it's not me. Some blue ones. And some yellow fog lights.
Eee. Oh, the windshield. Oh, yeah.
Alright, look. Later. Do pull when you leave.